Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up and share Notebooklm. To get started, open your web browser and go to Notebooklm. This is where you can create a notebook, add sources, and organize information into a format that is easy to explore and share. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so the next steps feel straightforward. From there, you can either open a sample project or create a new notebook from the top right corner of the screen. If you are new to Notebooklm, a sample project can be a helpful way to understand how everything is structured before building your own. If you already know what you want to make, creating a new notebook is the better option. Either path will bring you into the workspace where you can begin adding content. Next, paste in your sample source topic link. This source gives Notebooklm material to work with, and it helps form the foundation of your notebook. Be sure the link is correct before moving on, since the quality and relevance of your source will affect the output you get inside the notebook. After you add it, give the platform a moment to process the information. Once your source is in place, look for the studio area. This is where you can customize your content for different formats, including audio, video, or presentation style outputs. Studio is useful because it helps shape how your notebook content is presented, depending on what you want to do with it. If you're preparing something to share with others, this is a good time to review the setup and make sure everything looks the way you want. When you're finished customizing, go to the top right and click Share. This opens the sharing options for the notebook and lets you control how others can access it. It's a good idea to pause here and double check that the notebook is ready, especially if you plan to send it out right away. In the sharing settings, select the notebook access option you want to use. This determines how the notebook can be viewed or used by the person receiving it. Choosing the right access level is important so your audience gets the experience you intend. Finally, once everything is set, click Copy link. You can then send that link to the person you want to share the notebook with. Before sending it, it may be helpful to quickly confirm that the sharing settings were applied correctly, so the link works as expected. That's it. You've now set up and shared a Notebooklm notebook from start to finish.